before I let you
This what the future sound like.
turn around and to the left, let's slide now. Up and down, 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 drop it down.
What's up, y'all? My name is Atewe. Welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I decided I'm going to do the Aina palette challenge. Alyssa Ashley, she filmed a mini intro of each individual shade from the palette in collaboration with Anastasia Beverly Hills. So she took a shot of each individual shade, and Liquid Tomlinson on Twitter quoted it and said, create a challenge for it, saying that we should pause the video 3 times, and whatever shade that we land on is the shade that the 3 shades that we have to use for the video. I have to say I'm kind of nervous because I really want this to go well. So let's pray. Please be sure to like, comment, share, and subscribe, and let's get started. Okay. So I'm screen recording. I'm going to open the video. Okay, let me start all over again. Okay, and I have sponsored. I don't know if you can see that. I have ZAM. I need a matte. I need a matte. I need a matte. I need a matte. Credit. Okay. Sponsored, ZAM, and credit. All right. Okay. I think I can do that. I think I could do that. Let's see how. Let me just have it in front of me. Sponsored, credit, and ZAM. Okay. All right. Okay. I think I have a grasp of what I want to do. First, I'm going to do my brows before I jump into eyeshadow, and for that, I'm going to be taking my Fenty Beauty Brow MVP Ultra Fine Brow Pencil and Styler. I think that's what it says on the box. Let me see. Bitch, it said, yeah, I got it right. Period. I'm going to fill this out. I'm using the shade Deep Black. I love this brow pencil. It is my new fave. Does anyone else's contacts just decide they're gonna like fog up and disrupt your eyesight? Like, it's annoying. You're there to help me see, not just condense. Next, I'm going to prime my lids using the same concealer in the shade C13 again. I'm just blending it out using my Morphe M173 brush. So I'm going to take my Amazon, this fluffy brush from my Amazon brush set, and I'm going to go into the shade Credit right here. Just going to use that as the only matte. So I think what I'm going to do is I'm just going to dust it lightly above my crease so it looks like a transition color. Just have it like look blown out. And then I'm going to take a denser brush. Denser, but still fluffy. A bit more control. Yeah, so I'm going to take this e.l.f. blending eye brush. It's a bit more dense and it's still fluffy, it's still soft to the touch. I'm going to go back into Credit, but this time I'm going to pack it into my inner corner, into my crease to deepen it. Let's see if that works. Yes, it does. I'm just going to do a stamping motion. Yeah, that definitely works. Stamp it through the crease as well first off. Just build up the color. Yeah, okay. All right. Period, love. Yeah, I think it works. I am gonna go add C12 and use that to cut my crease. So I am gonna go, taking this flat shader brush from my Amazon brush set right here, I'm gonna go into the shade Sponsored. Right here, boom, look at that, right here, shade Sponsored. And I am just going to pack that on my brush and pop that on the outer, well, not the outer, I guess the middle of my lid. I'm just going to. So I have Sponsored on. I'm going to be taking my e.l.f. blending eye brush again, adding no product, and just blending the edges so it's not like a stark difference between Credit and Sponsored. Okay, that's cute. Next, I'm going to be taking my Morphe M124 brush. Okay, this is my first time ever using a pressed glitter. What do? Do I like wet it? Do I use a wet brush for pressed glitter? I feel like that should be up. Oh, okay. It says wet. Bet, no problem. So I'm going to be taking my Morphe M124 brush. I'm just going to spray it with some setting spray. And we are going to pray that this works. I know what I'm going to do. It just hit me. I'm not going to use this as the inner part of my eye. I'm going to go back into my flat shader brush and I'm going to go back into Sponsored and I'm going to cover my entire lid. This itself is the look. Like, how the hell? 2 shadows. That's it. Like, that's nuts. Okay, whatever. Let's move on. Okay, I'm gonna take this brush. I'm not sure where it's from, but I'm gonna go back into my micellar water. And I am going to create a line between Sponsored and Credit. Okay, 1 second. I have to be quiet for this. Okay. I have to hold my breath for that. I'm going to take, can I still use this? I feel like this is not skinny enough, so no. I'm gonna take this itty bitty brush right here from my Amazon brush set. I'm going to wet it. I'm gonna go into Zam, just stamping the tip. And that's gonna go in the little gap that I created. Let's hope that works. Okay. Okay. It's a bit thick. It's nothing we can't fix. Okay, so both eyes are kind of done. I'm going to go into liner now, and for that I'm going to be taking my Maybelline New York Eye Studio Gel Eyeliner in the shade Blackest Black. And I'm going to be taking my usual Sephora Mini Angled Liner Brush to apply it. That is the sharpest wing I have ever done. This is why I love gel eyeliners, because you have so much control. So much control. You don't have to clean up afterwards. Look at how sharp that is. That is sickening. I did that. Now let's see if I can do it to this side. Really hope you guys enjoyed this video. This is the final look. I really like how this came out. Credit, Sponsored, and Zam. Did the damn thing. I'm excited. So please be sure to like, comment, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.
Before I let you, before